Mastering difficult questions during valve industry presentations is both an art and a science. It requires technical expertise, preparation, and a calm, strategic approach. Every presenter, from engineers launching a new product to sales professionals discussing complex solutions, will at some point face a challenging question. How you handle these moments can define your credibility, build trust, and shape the overall impression you leave with your audience. The first key to success is preparation. Knowing your material is vital, but anticipating the hard questions is equally important. Start by reviewing your presentation and identifying potential weak spots or controversial topics. Think from your audience's perspective. What are the most likely points of confusion or disagreement? Are there recent industry changes, safety concerns, or competitive technology advancements that could spark debate? Once you have a list, research thoroughly. Be ready with facts, figures, and authoritative references specific to valves, materials, operating pressures, regulatory standards, failure rates, and maintenance protocols. Make sure your knowledge extends beyond what's on your slides. For instance, if you're discussing the benefits of a particular pressure relief valve, know not only its performance specs, but also how it compares with alternative solutions and fits into regulatory frameworks like ASME or API standards. When presenting, encourage questions as a sign of engagement, even if you know some will be difficult. Set a welcoming tone early by stating that tough questions are an opportunity for open dialogue and learning. This positioning shows confidence and a genuine commitment to problem solving. When a challenging question arises, pause. Listen fully to the questioner. This shows respect and gives you a moment to gather your thoughts. Paraphrase the question if necessary, to clarify and to buy yourself a little more time. For example, if someone asks about a valve's performance in extreme environments and you need a second, respond with, "So, you'd like to know how this model operates under highly corrosive conditions, is that correct?" This approach avoids misunderstandings and demonstrates active listening. If the question exposes a knowledge gap or uncertainty, answer honestly but constructively. Avoid bluffing. State what you know and indicate that you'll follow up with more details if needed. Transparency builds credibility and trust. For example, "That's a great point regarding the valve's performance under high-frequency cycling. I can share the results from our most recent lab tests now, and I'll source the latest field performance data after the session and send it to you." For technical, data-driven questions, visuals help clarify complex concepts. If you have charts or diagrams available, refer to them. When you summarize data, do so clearly and concisely, relating it back to the customer's real-world applications, emphasizing practical benefits like reliability, safety, or cost savings. Some questions may challenge your product's limitations or compare it unfavorably with competitors. Resist the urge to get defensive. Acknowledge valid points about competitors, but redirect focus to what sets your solution apart: unique features, tested reliability, supply chain advantages, or after-sales support. For example, while Brand X's valve does offer faster installation, our design is optimized for longevity in high-temperature environments, reducing maintenance costs over time. Be prepared for questions about failures or incidents. Take accountability for past issues, describe corrective actions taken, and emphasize ongoing commitment to safety, quality, and compliance. Authenticity and a proactive stance toward improvement can transform tough questions into trust-building moments. Finally, close each answer by inviting further discussion. Offer to delve deeper after the presentation or share supporting documentation. This not only provides reassurance but also extends the engagement beyond the meeting. Mastering difficult questions during valve industry presentations ultimately comes down to preparation, composure, and a problem-solving mindset. By addressing challenging questions head-on, you position yourself and your organization as knowledgeable, trustworthy, and committed to delivering real solutions in an ever-evolving industry.